So I went to an Amazon liquidation store today and I got this GAN 356 maglev for only $12, which was an absolute steal. This is also a GAN 356, which I already own, so I didn't need a new cube. But for $12, that's pretty good. So I went up and picked it up, and let's open it. So you got the cube in this nice little GAN container. It's frosted. Which the stand is different than my other one. Got the GAN logo. Now let's go through the accessories. So you get a bag. I already have this exact bag, so yeah. Some instructions. They look kind of used, maybe someone used it and put it back. But that's okay. I don't exactly need more instructions. I get some information about changing the center, and I get this key, which mine did not originally come with. So on this cube there are some signs of wear, with scratches on the surface, so this cube was used for some time before being returned. This happens to most items in liquidation stores. But the cube is still usable, with the model retailing for around $35 on Amazon. Also, this cube still has stock lubricant and feels buttery smooth, although it'll feel better once I adjust the tensioning. When I do though, I'll make a video on it. I mean, for $12, the slightly used cube is worth it. I won't use it as my main cube, but it's a great starter cube, and not something I was expecting to find. Overall, this cube is great, but for the price of $35, I would recommend the Rubik Speed Cube 3x3 for $17, or any GAN 356 for $20 to $25. Both of my cubes are from GAN's 356 line, so they are more of the entry level, but still good. Some differences are the mechanisms. To adjust the tensioning of the $12 cube, it has a wheel to change the levels, with 6 levels each. While on my other 356, it has replaceable springs with 4 preset tensioning levels. However, they both come with a nice blue bag, a nice inclusion. But another difference is the display case. I like how on the $12 cube, the display is just a clear cube and doesn't rotate the center logo like my old cube. Shout out to Dave, who will be getting a new cube bag. Thanks for watching, and bye!